Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to use USB file transfer. Start by unlocking both devices, connecting with a compatible USB cable, and choosing the correct transfer mode on the device. Open your computer file manager, locate the connected device, and drag files or use copy and paste. For large files, use a fast USB port and ensure both devices have sufficient battery. Safely eject the device before unplugging to prevent data loss. Choosing the right cable and mode makes transfers smoother and faster. Use a USB 3.0 cable for high speed, identified by blue or SS marking. Select File Transfer or MTP mode on smartphones, or choose Transfer Files on tablets. Make sure your computer recognizes the device by checking File Manager and drivers. If transfers fail, try a different port, restart the device, or use an alternative cable to isolate the issue. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like to support more easy guides. Quick recommendation: the book The Simple Path to Wealth offers clear, practical money advice and made me smile when thinking about saving time on tech tasks. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can explore it yourself. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. Now let's get back to the video. Quick troubleshooting steps help you recover stuck transfers and protect data. If a transfer stalls, pause, then resume or cancel and retry with smaller batches. Scan both devices for storage errors and free space before starting big transfers. Update device drivers and enable debugging options if your device needs it. For security, avoid public chargers and scan files with antivirus. Backup important files to cloud or external drives regularly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.